Now let's take our baby to the hospital. For those of you that don't know, I just put to bed. I just put to bed. Babies are so cute and beautiful, you know. Our baby has an appointment today, and grandma is not around, which she would have gone with my friend to the hospital. And when she told me, I said, "What am I doing? Let's go together. It's our baby." And when we got to the hospital, they finished attending to us, and we want to start going. That was when this baby started crying. She's hungry, and we had to turn back. I went into the hospital, feed her, and we head straight home. You know, everybody was just telling us, "Congratulations, congratulations." As in, I love that word, congratulations. My head was just swimming. I was just telling them, "Thank you, thank you." As if said, "I will get picky." And finally, we are home. Like, I'm using this medium to pray for everyone up to God for a beautiful gift like this. I pray the Lord will answer you and give you double for your request. And that was our afternoon went. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.